If you're an investor, you need to know about Snowflake's latest 34% jump in stock price. Let's dive in. Snowflake, the cloud-based data platform, had an extraordinary Q3, with its stock rocketing 34% after releasing its earnings report. Revenue hit $942 million, surpassing expectations and marking a 28% year-over-year increase. This growth isn't just a fluke. Snowflake added more big players to its customer list, now boasting 542 clients, generating over $1 million annually. And let's talk strategy. Their new partnership with AI startup Anthropic aims to supercharge data analysis through cutting-edge generative AI. Financially solid and strategically savvy, Snowflake is making waves. But remember, investing always comes with risks. So, is Snowflake's stock a buy? The future looks promising, but do your homework and consider your investment goals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial insights.